In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Bluestacks on Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to launch your search engine. You can use any search engine, any browser that you have. So personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. I'm just going to open Google Chrome, then go to the search and search for Bluestacks. Then press on enter. Then you are going to see their official website here, www.bluestacks.com. So you're going to click on the first link. So it is going to land you here on their homepage. So what you need to do next is you will scroll down a little bit. Then you will see download button here. But before you download, first of all, you need to see all versions. So click on see all versions. So again, you are going to click on see all versions. So here you will see the version which is compatible to your PC. So as you can see, this one is for Windows 11. Then you can see this this is Bluestacks 5 and this is Bluestacks 4. So this is still for Windows 10, but this one is optimized for Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 11, we download from here. So personally, I'm using a 64-bit PC, so I'm going to download this one. So just click on download. So as you can see, the download has automatically begun here. So after finishing, just double click on the file to run it. Then now you can minimize this. Then you can just click on run. Then agree and install. So it is going to download. It is going to take a little bit of time, so just give it time for it to finish. Guys, as you can now see, the software has downloaded, it has extracted and installed. So once it has finished loading, you are just going to open and you will be able to use Bluestacks. And if you find your Bluestacks taking long to load, there's a video that I've made on how to fix this. So you just go to my videos and you will search for it, you will get it. That's really it, guys. That's how to download and install Bluestacks on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.